G'day, how you going? Alrighty, another 5 packs of junk wax. As you can see here, we got 5 packs of Fleer 1994 Fleer Ultra Series 1 baseball. So I've opened one pack a while ago just to sort of get a feel what's in it. Like all these other stuff, I don't really know what's in them. I'll pretty much research after the fact on what we pull. So let's have a look. Let's get going. Hope you've been well. And yeah. Alrighty. I've got to sort of look over at the camera to make sure, see what we're getting here. Tony Gwynn. I'm not going to be able to read all of these. Larry Kasian, Willie Wilson, pretty cool shot. Nice cards. I like the full photo cards, even the modern stuff as well. Bang. Award winners. I think I've already got this. I think I've pulled this card. Mike Piazza. Yeah, I actually pulled this in that one pack I opened up before. Is that back to front? These turned around. Hang on, what's that? Is that the same card? No, surely not. It is, same card. Darren Lewis. Is it Angel Miranda? Ah, so that's a rookie. Right, okay, so they've got rookie written above their name. Okay, I didn't see that on the others, so that's something I'm probably missing. Terry. Paul. Another rookie. Chipper Jones. I know that name. Chipper Jones. That's a pretty cool card, I believe. Is that right? I think it is. Troy O'Leary, another rookie. And Moise Allow. Nice. It's interesting, all this this older stuff. Like a lot of these players are, are more than likely a Hall of Famers, right? I'm only guessing because I don't really know how Hall of Famer stuff works. I suppose if you're good, you get in the Hall of Famers, become a Hall of Famer. No bricking, which is good. So what's this? Okay, Phillies first. Darren Dalton. Oh, okay, so that's a specific card. Yep. These are back to front. Another rookie. Solomon Torres. Dave Hollins. Kirkwood Router. Rookie. Jim Boom. Craig. Is it? Oh, isn't it Paquet? I don't know. Whoops. Rookie. Ricky Jordan. Devin White. Steve Avery. Juan Bell. Matt Williams. Brad Pennington. And Jeff Facero. Bang. It's coming, mate. That ball's coming. Yeah, so definitely interesting. Interesting cards. I love the photography like every product, if it's got good photography, I'm in. Excuse me. Okay, award winners. Don't know who that is. Jose Viceno. I'm probably butchering his name. Sorry, buddy. Mike Tromley. Another rookie, Chris Gomez. Richie Lewis. Okay, got a bit of brick going on here. Well, they're sort of stuck. Okay, we're right, we're good. Eric Young. Checklist. It's pretty cool. Chris Turner. Todd Worrell. Dave Fleming. Gerald Clark. Frank Seminara. Rich Amaral. And Brian Jordan. Very good, very nice. I like it. So yeah, I've got a box of this as well to open up. There's quite a few packs in the box actually. Oh, come on, open up. Come on, there we go. Here we go. So that usually means if a pack's hard to open like this, it's got a banger of a card in it. Is that how it works? Phillies first. John Kruk. Bloody pretty damaged corner. Greg Hibbard. Pat Mears rookie card. It's a pretty casual shot. Look, just chilling in the... Is it in the dugout? Is that what they call it? Luis Gonzalez. He is bolting. Scott Sanders. Brett Barbary. Mike Blowers. That ball is mine, he's saying that ball is mine. Tino Martinez. Yeah, good action shots. Mike Butcher. Joe Warsulak. Got him before, didn't we? I think, I don't know. Willie Wilson. Larry Cassian. And Andujar Cedino. It's funny, a mate of mine went to America over probably quite a few years ago, and he bought me back. He actually bought me a Yankees baseball cap, and I found it. Because I sort of don't really go for a team. I don't have a team, but I suppose, you know, because my mate bought me that Yankees cap, maybe I'm a Yankees fan by default. Look, I do like Aaron Judge. He's a friggin', you know, like, to me, he's a very imposing and pretty huge individual. Jeff Montgomery. So this is the Ultra Fireman card. Okay, yep. I saw something about that card. Charles Gwynn. Dave Berber. Paul O'Neill. There you go, New York Yankees. Wayne Kirby, yeah, the rookie. Wayne Kirby, I think I know that name. Mike Piazza, I know that name. I've actually seen this card pulled on other videos that I've watched to sort of try and figure out who's who. I usually do that. I'll watch a bit of video. I watch other people open the products. So I'll sort of see what's in it. Do a little bit of learning. Dean Palmer, Bruce Ruffin, Cecil Fielder, Phil Hyatt, Mike Jackson, and Wade Boggs is the last card. There you go. Nice. 1 of 10. So there's 10 of these in the set, I assume. So that's the 94 Fleer Ultra. I hope you like I said, I don't know what's a big pull in the set. I'll work it out. I'll whatever the pulls are, I'll make a list. I'll make a timestamp, so I'll add it to the timestamp of the video for you. All right, please give me a like, thumbs up. Helps me grow the channel, and especially I want to do more of this sort of stuff. I find it interesting. So yeah, and subscribe, leave a like, all that sort of stuff, and let me know. All right, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Cheers.